Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Banking Professionals Make It Possible. I hope you all are doing well with your study and taking good care of your health. So as you can see, I am on the GradeUp, which is now named as Byju exam preparation. So I have attempted IPPS PO prelims mock test, which is free for everyone. This is mock test 1. Now let's move to the C result. Here you can see my score and my performance, overall performance. Cutoff is 58.75. I missed the cutoff, but I scored 54.50 and rank is 652 out of 17,161 candidates. So here you can see the percentile, which is 96, accuracy which is 85. I am satisfied with percentile, but I am not satisfied with my accuracy. It should be 90% plus. So yes, I am not satisfied with my accuracy. There's 10 wrong, which is also not satisfactory for me. So let's check which section have more incorrect answers. So here you can see that I have attempted 20 in this section and there were 16 correct and 4 wrong. I got 15 marks and you can see percentile 93.82 and accuracy is 80%, right? Switching to quantitative aptitude, then you can see that 21 questions are correct and 1 is wrong. You can see the percentile, which is 95.66% and accuracy is 95%. I am satisfied with both of these because I always try to be in 90 plus percentile and accuracy should be 90% plus. So yes, I am satisfied with this section. The most unsatisfactory section of this mock is reasoning, because I always try to do only correct in two sections, which is quantitative aptitude and reasoning ability. And here you can see that I did 25 and out of 25, 20 questions are correct, but 5 questions I did wrong, and this was the blunder mistake I did this time in this mock test. So I have analyzed this section properly and I got that I did the mistake only in hurry. So yes, we all should be aware that when we are clicking the answer, that should be correct, and please recheck if you have any confusion on the same. So here you can see the percentile, which is 84.45% and accuracy is 80%. I am not satisfied with these because, as I earlier said, I always try to be in 90% plus. So yes, this was overall performance as you have seen. If you want to attempt this mock test, then please do, because this is free for everyone. So if you have attempted this one, then please do share your scorecard and overall performance in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your comments. So see you soon. All the best. Bye.